Hello and welcome to Tiny Treasures. We had a record-breaking snowfall last night and the Teletubbies and Noo Noo are on the snowbank. Oh my goodness, the snow must be at least 4 feet deep. And poor little puppy, this is his route to go outside to go to the bathroom. But he can't get through the deep, deep snow. We're going to try and make a little trail for him. Even the patio chairs are completely covered in snow. Let's get Puppy outside so he can see all the snow that fell last night. Let's work on the trail for Puppy. I'll use my boot and kick my way through the snow. Uh-oh, the trail is just not far enough. Sorry, Puppy. You're covered in snow now. We're going to have to dig a little more with a broom. There, this should work. Come here, Puppy. Try going on the trail now. He's just not sure. He must be pretty cold. Come on, Puppy. There he goes. Come on, Puppy, you can make it across. No, it's still too deep. Poor little guy. I'll let Puppy back inside and maybe he can go out the front door instead. Come on, Puppy, inside. While we're out here at the Teletubbies, let's do some learning. We've got some colorful cookies. Our first cookie is what color? It's orange. This cookie is the same color as Noo Noo. It's blue. And this cookie is the same color as Po. It's red. This cookie is the same color as Lala, yellow. And this one's the same color as Dipsy, green. We're back indoors to warm up. All the snow will melt. Oops, we got some snow on the wood floor. We better clean that up or it can wreck the wood. Puppy! Little Puppy has little snowballs all over his legs. He was able to get out the front door. Good job, Puppy. You'll warm up soon. And thank you so much for coming to Tiny Treasures. Please subscribe to our videos. Goodbye. Hello and welcome to Tiny Treasures. Today Daniel Tiger and friends are going to help me shovel the snow. It snowed about 6 inches last night and it's very thick and heavy. And we love to shovel because it's good exercise. Look at how much snow built up on our zip line swing. And we all know Puppy loves to run around in the snow. Go explore, Puppy, while I shovel the driveway. One of my favorite things when it snows is looking at the beautiful trees covered. And look at how much snow is on our fairy garden. We won't be playing with that until springtime. Puppy's sure having a lot of fun running around. But sometimes he gets really cold. I think we better put Puppy's wool sweater on. It keeps him warm when he's outside. He loves his sweater and he loves to be warm. There we go, Puppy. Now you can run around some more. Time to get back to shoveling the snow. Let's give Daniel Tiger and his friends a ride. They're getting covered in snow. Hopefully we can find them again. We'll dump it out of our shovel and see who we can find. And there's O the owl and Katerina Kitty. Do you want to go down the shovel like a slide? Whee! We also found Daniel Tiger and Miss Elena. Do you know which character is still hiding in the snow? It's Prince Wednesday, and he's really lost. We've got to dig and dig until we find him. Finally, there he is. Daniel Tiger and friends are just going to sit in the snow while I shovel so they don't get lost again. I've got a lot of shoveling to do, so thank you so much for coming to Tiny Treasures. Please subscribe to our videos. Goodbye.
Tiny Treasures and Toys. Please subscribe.
Hello and welcome to Tiny Treasures. We are outside today with Puppy, and there's so much snow he doesn't know where to go. We're going to get some exercise and some fresh air today. We have some of our favorite figures. We have Peppa Pig, Daniel Tiger, and Tinky Winky from the Teletubbies. And look at the barbecue. There is at least 2 feet of snow on top. We needed to shovel a path for Poppy, and it's so fluffy, the toys just sink in the snow. Let's see if we drop Tinky Winky, how far will he go? Oh, we can still see him. Oh, Peppa's hiding too. But let's pull Tinky Winky out so we don't lose him in the snow. Let's pull out Peppa and Daniel, and we will drop them. Daniel Tiger is heavier than Tinky Winky. Can you see Daniel Tiger, or is he completely hidden? Let's try Peppa. Oh dear, I'm going to have to get my hand wet and cold to dig her out. Hello, Peppa. Where's your friend Daniel? There he is. The kids and I put our snow gear on today, our snow pants, jackets, hats, and gloves. And there's a huge pile of snow, and we thought it would be fun to dig a snow tunnel today. I even have my big winter boots so my feet stay warm and dry. Snow safety is important. I must be around the kids at all times, making sure they are safe and don't get stuck in the snow. Snow can be very heavy, and you can't breathe under snow. So I'm right here beside them. And look how deep our cave is already. There's Peppa, Tinky Winky, and Daniel Tiger. Hi, guys. The kids have been working hard to dig each of their own tunnels, and now they're trying to connect their tunnels. Let's see if we can dig through. They're almost connected. Do you see the end of a shovel? There it is. The kids dug all the way through, and our tunnel is complete. Now it's time to go inside and have a hot chocolate. Thank you for coming to Tiny Treasures. We sure hope you enjoyed our video today. We're here to ask our fans for some help. Did you know only 15% of our fans have subscribed to Tiny Treasures? So you can help us by pushing the subscribe button and subscribe to our channel. It helps us get recognized by YouTube when we gain subscribers. That way we can continue to make fun learning videos every single day. And for those fans who have already subscribed to our channel, a great big thank you. Today, Bluey and her family are playing in the snow, and we have some doggy prints in the snow. Whose could they be? Definitely a dog, but not one of these dogs. We like to have fun in the snow. We have a fun snow science experiment we're going to do with the Bluey family. Let's go inside. We have a glass jar. Hey, Bluey, you're not supposed to be in there. We are using this glass jar to make a snow volcano. So the first ingredient we need to add is some dish soap. Second, Bingo got the baking soda. It's not to play in, silly Bingo. We pour the baking soda in the jar with the dish soap. We fill it about halfway, and then we add some warm water, about a 1/4 cup. Ooh, look at it bubble. I'm going to add some frozen raspberries just to give it a little pink color. I don't like to use food dye. Instead, I like to use natural fruit colors. It's a little bit of a purple pink color. Okay, now we put it in the snow and we build our snow volcano. We want to cover the sides of the jar with snow. Thank you, Bandit, for helping me. We're ready to add the vinegar. Watch closely. It's going to happen very quickly. Whoa! How cool was that? You can try that at home with your parents' help, Tiny Fans. You can see the bits of raspberry and the snow lava flowing down the volcano. Let's watch again in slow motion. And thank you for coming to Tiny Treasures. Please subscribe to our videos. Goodbye. Hello and welcome to Tiny Treasures. We're on our way to the ski hill. Skiing is a great family activity. It's great exercise and it gets you out in the fresh air. We hop on the ski lift to get up to the top of the hill. Dipsy's sitting right beside me today. We have the bar down for safety. It's so cold that ice crystals have formed on the bar. It's like a little mini ice village. We're approaching the top of the chairlift. Your ski tips must be up, and we put the bar up. We have to push ourselves off. We stop for a little break, and the Teletubbies are having fun in the snow. The trees are just covered. The snow is so soft. It's important to always stay in control when you're skiing. You put the tips of your skis together like a piece of pizza to slow down. And you put them side by side like little French fries when you want to go a little faster. Whee! As we go up the chairlift again, I notice little snowflakes on my ski jacket and ski pants. Did you know that not one snowflake is identical? Look at the one that landed on my sleeve. It's perfect. Skiing is a lot of fun, but it's important to follow the rules of the ski hill. This sign says ski area boundary. We want to stay in bounds where there are ski patrol. And if you don't know what a sign means, ask a parent. Well, we had a wonderful day of skiing. It's time to head back, where it's nice and warm at home. Thank you for coming to Tiny Treasures. Please subscribe to our videos. Goodbye.